is the original JCPenney. Long up Park. Salem, New Hampshire. It's a Vector. Light's flickering, so ignore that. The second ever Vector. Here it is. UL? Here we go. Who's got a working indicator? Is this a traction? No, this is a hydro. Here we go, UL? The bell doesn't work. L? This thing is big. Look at this thing. 1992, 100 feet a minute. I like how the indicator is working. Here we are at L. Look at this panel. Like high. We'll go up one more time. They'll end it down at L. 3,500 pound capacity. 88 phone. The motor's like so quiet. No, end it down at L. I wonder if the bell works up here. No, there isn't. This thing is like the quietest Montgomery elevator I've ever been in. Vector. Gotta love Vector. Here we are at L. Here it goes. That's it.